Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted to make a simple lemon yogurt cake? Well, you came to the right video because today I will be showing you how to make a delicious lemon yogurt cake. So don't go anywhere because I will explain to you step by step on how to make this cake. To make this lemon yogurt cake, you will need a 8.5 by 9 pan. You will also need 3 eggs, 1 lemon, half a cup of oil, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sugar, and 1.5 cups of flour, and you need 1 small container of yogurt. Okay, so you're going to add the 3 eggs into your bowl, and then you're going to zest your lemon, and you're going to put the peelings in your bowl, and the remaining of the lemon, you're going to juice it and then put it into your bowl. The next ingredient that you are going to add into the mixture is half a cup of oil. And just put it into your bowl. Then you're going to add a pinch of salt into your bowl. So you don't need a lot of salt, just a little bit. Okay, and then the next ingredient would be half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you are going to add 1 cup of sugar. So I added 1 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of flour into my bowl. And then the last ingredient is going to be my 1 container of lemon yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt or you can just use plain yogurt, that's fine. So now you are going to mix all the ingredients together. You can use a hand blender or you can use a spoon to mix it all up. Okay, now I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. Okay, so now the batter is ready. It's all nice and smooth and it's really creamy. So now we're going to go on to the next step. Okay, so now I have my 8.5 by 9 pan ready to go. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little piece of this butter and I'm going to rub it all around my pan. And this is just to grease it a little bit because we'll be putting this into the oven in a few minutes. So go ahead and preheat your oven at 350. And while you're doing this, and getting all the mixture ready. By then, your oven will be all preheated and ready to go. And you can also use cooking spray for your pan so it doesn't stick. So there's several ways you can do that. You can use cooking spray, you can use butter, or you can use some vegetable oil, or if you don't have vegetable oil, you can use olive oil as well. Okay, so once your pan is all nice and greased, so the next thing is you're going to pour the mixture into your pan. And then you're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. So once you have the batter into your pan, then you're going to even the batter with a spoon or a spatula. If you have one, you're just going to spread it all the way around. Just like that. Give it that nice smooth look. Okay, so once you have the batter into your pan, and then just put in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then when those 30 minutes are up, I will come back and I will show you how this cake came out. See you in a little bit. It's been 30 minutes already, and I removed my lemon yogurt cake from the oven. So now I am going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of the cake, and the best time to do this is when you just take it out of the oven because it's really nice and hot. So I am going to use this strainer, and then I am going to pour some of this powdered sugar into my strainer, and then I'm going to sprinkle it all around my cake. Yeah, this is the best part. When you add powdered sugar to it, it'll make it a lot sweeter. And just sprinkle it all around the cake. And before you serve the cake, wait a couple of minutes, maybe about 15 minutes, and then you can cut your cake, and then it'll be ready to be eaten. Okay, so there's the lemon yogurt cake. Well guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And if you want to learn more about my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of baking, a lot of cooking, main dishes. I also crochet a lot of things. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you will enjoy this lemon yogurt cake. Like I said before, I will leave a description underneath explaining how to make this cake. And I will see you guys very soon for more recipes. Take care. Bye.